Hey everyone, welcome to AI Simplified. If you've ever wished you could learn faster, think better, and work smarter, you're in the right place. Because today, I'm going to show you 5 amazing AI-powered websites that can literally help you become smarter than 99% of people who still don't use them. These aren't just websites that look cool. They are tools that can help you read faster, write better, understand complex topics, solve problems, and get more done in less time. And in 2025, using AI smartly gives you a massive edge in school, work, business, or content creation. So let's explore how these tools work and why they're so powerful. Let's start with Perplexity. Think of it as Google, but way smarter. Instead of just giving you links, Perplexity gives you actual answers with citations, so you know exactly where the information is coming from. Whether you're researching for a school project, preparing a YouTube video, or just curious about a new topic, Perplexity gives you direct, summarized, and reliable knowledge. And it's interactive. You can ask follow-up questions and go deeper, step by step. It's like having a super intelligent researcher working beside you 24/7. For people who value clear, fast, accurate information, this is a complete game. The second website is Notion AI. If you've ever used Notion before, you already know it's a powerful tool for organizing notes and tasks. But with AI built in, it becomes so much more. Notion AI can help you summarize long articles, write structured essays, brainstorm ideas, and even generate entire project outlines based on a few words. You just type a question or topic, and it writes everything you need with context. Whether you're a student writing assignments, a freelancer building proposals, or someone planning their business ideas, Notion AI makes the process faster and more organized. It actually helps you think more clearly and structure your thoughts better, which is one of the biggest signs of real intelligence. Next up is ChatGPT, based on OpenAI's GPT for Turbo model. You may already know it as a chatbot, but it's far more powerful than that. ChatGPT is like having a personal tutor, creative writer, coding assistant, idea generator, and mentor all rolled into one. In 2025, the model can understand not just your words, but your intent, making the conversation more useful and personalized. You can use it to learn any subject, solve math problems, generate content ideas, or understand complex topics by simply asking questions in natural language. And with the ability to analyze documents and even images, it becomes a tool that adapts to your needs, not the other way around. If you use it daily to explore new knowledge, improve your writing, or solve problems, you will naturally grow faster than most people. The fourth website you should absolutely know about is illicit.org. This one is designed for research, especially academic or science-based learning. You ask it a research question. For example, how does meditation affect focus? And Illicit finds real academic studies, extracts their key findings, and presents you with a summarized list of answers. It literally reads through hundreds of papers so you don't have to. If you're a student or a researcher or someone who loves learning with evidence and depth, Illicit will make your process 10x smart. It saves time, filters out low-quality information, and helps you focus only on meaningful results. This is intelligence built on verified knowledge, not just guesses. Finally, we have you.com, a unique AI search engine that combines privacy, utility, and multitasking. With you.com, you can browse, research, write, summarize, generate images, translate, text, and even code, all in one platform. It includes built-in AI apps, so you don't have to open 10 different tools for different tasks. Let's say you want to write an essay, summarize an article, and then generate a thumbnail. You can do all that inside you.com using different AI plugins. And unlike traditional search engines, it doesn't flood you with ads or distractions. It's focused on making your workflow cleaner and faster, which directly helps you stay focused, process more knowledge, and improve. So there you have it. 5 websites powered by artificial intelligence that are helping people around the world work smarter, learn faster, and think clearer. Perplexity for fast research, Notion AI for clear thinking and writing, ChatGPT for learning and creation, Illicit for deep academic understanding, and you.com for multitasking with AI tools. These aren't just productivity boosters. They are intelligent amplifiers. The truth is, in 2025, knowledge alone is not power. Applied knowledge is, and AI helps you apply what you know in ways that are faster, sharper, and and more effective. People who understand how to use these tools wisely will have a huge advantage in this decade. You don't need to be a genius, you just need to know how to work with AI smartly. Try out each of these websites and build your own system around them. Use them for learning, for creating, for solving problems, and for planning your future. Within a few weeks, you'll start noticing how much more confident and capable you feel. And that is what truly sets you apart from the 99% who are still stuck doing everything the hard way. If you found this video helpful, do me a small favor, hit that like button, drop a comment below sharing your favorite AI website, and subscribe to AI Simplified for more videos that break down the future of technology in a way anyone can understand. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay sharp, stay curious, and keep learning smart.